So I first started trying to jump the vehicle using these jump leads, and it didn't work. And then I replaced them with these jump leads, and it worked. So that's just something to be aware of. If your jump leads are spindly and thin like these ones, and you're having a problem with jump starting your vehicle, then the jump leads may not be supplying enough amps to be able to start your vehicle. Get something decent, because these are big engines. You need something that's pretty chunky.